Hello, and welcome back. My name is James from Haswings. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and maybe you've decided a last-minute road trip around America could be the perfect way to spend it. If that's the case, I've got you covered. Today, let's go through some easy, practical tips to help you plan a smooth, enjoyable Thanksgiving road trip. When you're planning a last-minute trip, simplicity is key. Pick a destination that's within a comfortable driving distance, so you won't feel rushed. Use travel apps to check drive times, and look out for scenic routes along the way to make the journey as enjoyable as the destination. Accommodation can be limited during Thanksgiving, so try to book your stay as soon as possible. Last-minute deals are out there, but availability can be tight. If hotels are fully booked, consider checking vacation rentals, which might still have some hidden gems available. Pack smart for Thanksgiving. Packing is easy to overlook in the last-minute rush, but it can make or break your trip. Make sure you have the essentials: warm clothes, a first aid kit, and road trip snacks. Since it's Thanksgiving, you might also want to pack some favourite treats or drinks to celebrate wherever you are. Prepare for traffic. Holiday traffic can be unpredictable, so be prepared for potential delays. Check traffic updates and leave earlier if you can. A great playlist, podcast, or audiobook can make the wait more enjoyable if you find yourself stuck in traffic. Plan your Thanksgiving meal. If you're not visiting family, you'll want to plan out your Thanksgiving meal in advance. Look for local restaurants or diners that serve a Thanksgiving menu, or find grocery stores where you can grab some easy-to-cook options. This way, you can still enjoy a traditional meal without the stress of cooking a full spread. Enjoy the experience. Finally, remember to embrace the journey. Last-minute trips often lead to some of the best memories. Take in the sights, explore new places, and enjoy quality time with your travel buddies. Sometimes, the simplest trips can be the most meaningful. Whether you're driving to meet family or exploring a new spot, a Thanksgiving road trip can be an amazing way to spend the holiday. Safe travels and happy Thanksgiving. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel ideas. Have a wonderful holiday.